Look, lot of niggas fail, but I won't. Lot of niggas fold, but I cope. Lot of niggas gone, but I'm home. Lot of niggas off, but I'm on.
What is the easiest way to get 360 waves right now? That is how. Cheat codes 2018. Whoa, whoa. This is to commemorate Drake, because Drake just won a Grammy. Drake just won a Grammy. Who has the most iconic wave cut in the game right now? The Drake wave kit, straight up. That's spinning, come on. And you know what? I might want some waves too, dog. The Drake wave kit is back, baby. And that is the easiest way to get waves in 2019. The easiest way to get waves in 2019.
Damn.
So I just figured I'd make this extra simple video for you. We have new products out. I'm gonna explain to you guys what Boost hair fibers do, okay? So, first of all, let's find a weak spot in my hairline or on my head. It could be in the back, it could be in the front, it could be the fact that I don't have a beard. I could basically put on a beard with this. But I see a spot right here, okay? So you see the light spot. You zoom in so you guys can see what this actually does. So I'm gonna take my clear card, my Boost clear card. This. Put it right there where I would want my hairline to be. And I'm just gonna spray the Boost at that area. And there you go. Now if you want added hold, what you do is you get the texture spray, the Dice texture spray. Spritz that right on, and that smells like watermelon, so that's gonna make you smell amazing, amazing. That bald spot that I had is 100% natural, and it looks like human hair. There you guys go, dampscompany.com.
Damps.
You know, the thing with me is I understand. Sometimes I gotta be the guy to clean the toilet. Sometimes I gotta be the guy to sweep the floor. Sometimes I gotta be the UPS man. And that's what I'm doing live, bro. I'm literally delivering our product. Boost, some face masks, texturizing spray, wave cream. Like, I'm just in here right now delivering stuff. At this stage, I'm everything. If the UPS man isn't around, or I got a whip, I got legs, I can make this happen, bro. So I'm all over the city right now delivering Boost, Dice, everything. We actually just got these in the mail. I didn't even get a chance to look at them yet. But I'm gonna look at them with you guys live. Oof, oof, oof. Come on, come on, come on. Another pair from Under Armour. Appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you guys rolling with the underdog, baby. Look at this. I got a few pairs in here. You know? So like this is what a basketball player's car looks like. I mean, we just got bare kicks in here, you know? Shout out to Under Armour. Shout out to Under Armour. But yeah, I'm out here hustling, guys, and I just wanted to give you an update because, as I said, it's what you imagined it to be, it's just not how you imagined it to be. So take crumbs, make bread. It's crazy out here, man. The wind is nuts. So I'm out here running, deliver this, then we gotta get to the new space. We're doing we're starting the reno today. So yeah, I'm excited for that. So I pull up, I deliver the package. The man has a charcoal mask, a Dice charcoal mask on. Let me show you guys what this looks like. I'm driving right now, but he has a charcoal mask on live. You know, like, I can't lie, I appreciate all the continual support. I'll continue to put out dope products. I mean, right now, there's no time to really appreciate this because we're building it, but best believe when we build it big enough, we'll take our time and we'll appreciate it, and we'll appreciate it with everybody who helped build this foundation with us. Straight up.
8.5 months I gave my seat to pain. Now it's young money, baby. Keep the change.
So guys, we're in here today. We're starting our reno. We're getting this done. Check this out, baby. Check this out. We're getting this done today. I just want to put out like a casting call. Not really a casting call, but if you think you can contribute, like, I'm looking for videographers, photographers, some people who think they can creatively contribute to this project. Whatever you do, art, paint, whatever, anything. If you got plugs for anything and you think it would be lit with damps, link up, don't hesitate. Because we're trying to make this special. We're trying to make it special. And you need internships for school or whatever. You want to be a part of a special project, link up now. This is the time to link. Take crumbs, make bread.
Damps. Damps.
The blood on it already. Look at that. Here, that's a swing off of somebody. Look at the blood on it already. Look at that.
That's who's bleeding.
That's bam. Disaster. Only person in the world that can make this happen. What time is it? What time is it?
Frederick moving.
What time? What time? What time is it? Show them what time it is.
No, it's 9:32.
Damn! It's so late on a Friday night and we're doing this right now.
You thought that I wouldn't get down. I got so many of them on the rebound.
Damps. Damps.
So right now all I got on is this Dice charcoal mask. And what it does is it leaves my face moisturized, but it detoxes the whole thing. And it takes off all the excess oil. After this, I'm gonna apply some molding cream, Dice again, to my hair. I'm trying to get waves, so I'm gonna do that to lay it down, put a do-rag on, bless, okay? Right now I'm just trying to get this order in, completed. So we got some boost, I got my little scale right here. Guys, this is a long process, you know, like, it's not like the coolest thing, honestly, but you know, you gotta chop to everybody, you know, you gotta be ready for everybody. So I'm out here, guys. And you know what I want to find, actually? This is a casting call. Because there's a lot of talented people out there that can create content impeccably. And you know what? I need to find you guys. I need to find somebody underrated to be our brand ambassador. Somebody who needs to be put on. Because that's how I felt like, or I still feel like that. I still feel underrated. You know what I mean? So I want to work with another strong, independent hustler. If you're looking for an opportunity to represent a brand, company, this is a casting call for you. It was funny, all these books are amazing, but at the end of the day, when you're on a grind like this, and when you're getting ready to chop things, you can use all this as inspiration and meditation, but I find when I read too much during this process, I start to overthink. So these are great books. You could just go through piece by piece, but right now, when you're hustling, all you really got to focus on, that doesn't need your attention. No book needs your attention. What you need your attention is your product. Your product needs your attention. And I'm giving it my attention. So you guys best believe this is about to be lit. Lit, lit, lit. Because listen, you can give your attention to everything out here. There's so much things. Instagram, Facebook, books, everything. But at the end of the day, what really matters to you is not the information you got from a book. It's going to be what your action did for you and what your money does for you when you make it. We're flipping it back in. We're keeping that bankroll fresh. You know, we're in a position right now where we don't have to give no equity away. We could just build this because we've been hustling and we're taking everything and just reinvesting. For us, what's fun about this is building. This whole process is fun. It's frustrating, it's hard, 100%. It's not for everybody, but the stress that comes with it is something that we embrace, you know, and we embrace it and we embrace fighting it and just becoming these powerful beings. But like the biggest thing for me right now is not overthinking, keeping my attention, because that is the most important thing that I got right now. A lot of people like to say time is money, or money is everything, or time is everything. But let me tell you guys something. When I went on all my trips last year, the one thing I realized is excess time doesn't mean nothing. I don't need more time in my life. You know, I'm gonna go when I go. But what I need is to have my attention I need to be able to focus my attention. That is the most important thing. So when people break it down, time is money, and time becomes the most important commodity because you want to spend time doing other things. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, when you have too much time and you realize that you can't focus your time where you want to focus and you're not getting what you want out of it, then you start realizing that time isn't what you wanted. And what I figured out last year was attention's everything. So get your attention on the right things. Get off Instagram right now and go do your thing. I want to send out another casting call. We need some content creators. Holla at us. Get in our DM, damscompany.com actually. Get on damscompany.com.
Damps. Damps.